Hello everyone. Today we are going to review how to use the DES-B or the Adult Brief Dissociative Experiences Scale, the outcome measure to assess the severity of dissociative experiences in individuals age 18 and older. This measure is to be completed by the individual upon receiving a diagnosis of a dissociative disorder and prior to follow-up visits with the clinician. Each item asks the individual receiving care to rate the severity of the dissociative experience during the past 7 days. Before starting this tutorial, make sure you've set up the basics of your TherapyNotes account and that you've enabled the client portal and client portal document sharing within the settings section. There are 2 ways to send the DES-B outcome measure to a client, either from the Outcome Measures tab in the library or from the Client's Portal tab. First, let's click Library and then the Outcome Measures tab. Select the DES-B questionnaire. A screen about the DES-B will open, telling you a bit more about the outcome measure itself, as well as a preview of a sample completed questionnaire. Click the Share on Portal button at the bottom of the screen. This will open a Share Documents on Portal dialog box. Begin typing in the patient field and select the patient's name you would like to send the DES-B to. If you'd like to send any custom instructions to the patient, enter them in the instructions field and they will be sent with the documents you've selected to share. Then simply click the Send Document Request button and you're all set. Another way to send the DES-B to a client is from their Portal tab. First, you will need to click the Patients tab, then select Patient Name, the Portal tab, and then the Share Documents button. The Share Documents on Portal box will appear from the drop-down menu. Select Outcome Measures, and then in the name of the document box, begin typing and select the DES-B. Add any necessary custom instructions into the instruction field and click the Send Document Request button. Once the document request has been sent, the outcome measure will be listed in the patient's document and portal requests with a pending submission status. If you have any questions, contact us at 215-658-4550 or email us at support@therapynotes.com. As always, our support is free and unlimited, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.